What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Mauna Wilson here. Oh my god, akhirnya bisa bilang kata-kata welcome back to my channel after all this hard work. Anyway, di video yang kedua kali ini saya akan unboxing and review the Beats Studio 3 Wireless Headphone. As you know guys, seperti kalian ketahui, this Beats Studio 3 Wireless, namanya panjang banget, the Beats Studio 3 Wireless Headphone merupakan produk Apple juga. This is the latest one for now, and I think this is the best all-around headphones. Gak usah lama-lama lagi guys, mari kita unboxing and robek-robek this box, oke? So this is it, the Beats Studio 3 Wireless Headphone. Yeah, as you can see, here is with the special edition and my favorite color, rose gold. This Beats Studio 3 Wireless have the pure ANC or adaptive noise cancelling with up to 22-hour battery life. So this is tampak dari sisi depan box ini, and then next to another side of this box you can see the Beats slogan here. People are not hearing all the music. With the Beats, people are going to hear what the artists hear and listen to the music the way they should, the way I do, by Dr. Dre. So this is the Beats slogan, and here is the color, Porcelain Rose, my favorite color. This is I really like so much, and then it's made for iPhone, iPad and iPod. And then last but not least, the back side of this box, the Studio 3 Wireless with all these features here. I'm gonna explain in more details to you guys later on. Jadi dia ada seperti adaptive noise cancelling and then so on. So this is it, the special edition Beats Studio 3 Wireless. Pertama mari kita buka bajunya. I'm gonna open it from this side, yeah. Kalau soal membuka saya jagonya. Let's put it aside, yeah. So this is the box looks like here. Setelah kita buka bajunya, mari kita buka celananya. Ya, buka celana pasti bisa lah ya. Okay. So here it is. So once you open up the box, you can see the Beats logo and slogan here, as you can see. Yeah, change the way you hear sounds and this Beats logo. So let's put this aside. Yeah, this is the Beats. Yeah. Next is coming with the carrying box with the hard shell material. Juga ada logo Beats here and also on the zipper. Yeah. Let's see, is there anything else here? Open it up, put this aside. Yeah. Okay. Here. So ini dia the red 3.5 kabel. Jadi kalau kalian pengen pakai headphone tanpa Bluetooth, bisa pakai kabel yang ini. Jadi this is how it looks like. Ada logo Beats di sini juga dan bisa nelfon. Terus seperti biasa, you get your usual books and guidance here, ya, books. Dan kalian juga dapat classic Beats Troll sticker. Kalian pasti tahu banget ini stiker mau diapain, ya. And then another book, typical things deh. I don't really read this kind of things here. Okay, and next ini dia the charging cable. Kayaknya ini yang paling mengecewakan karena they still use the micro USB for the charging cable, and I think they're gonna use the USB Type C or the Lightning adapter, but in fact they just use this micro USB Type C, micro USB for the charging cable. So that's what you get. Also here the how do you say this carabiner clip, yeah, for your back. You can put it here to clip on your back. I'm gonna do that later. So this is the brand new Beats Studio 3 wireless. Wow, I finally opened it. Look at that. This is how it looks like. Yeah, you can adjust it, and if you have a big head, and ooh, wow, fantastic. So this is the brand new Beats Studio 3 wireless headphone, dan saya memang sengaja beli one yang sama dengan iPhone saya, so it's a perfect match. Yang pertama, mari kita bahas sound quality, the most important part about headphone. Seperti yang saya bilang tadi, sebenarnya ada headphone yang lebih bagus dari Beats dengan harga yang sama. From what I can hear, with the Beats, kalau kita buat music dengan volume tinggi, suaranya agak sedikit rumble. That's from my listening experience. Bagaimanapun, masalahnya adalah hampir sama dengan AirPods. Ada banyak wireless earbuds yang sebenarnya sound better than AirPods, tapi kebanyakan orang tetap milih AirPods karena featuresnya dan simply because it's owned by Apple. Selanjutnya, mari kita bahas mengenai features, terutama mengenai button yang ada di headphone dan juga di W1 chip. With the Beats Studio 3 wireless headphone, you can have 3 different buttons. Yang pertama adalah power button, tepat di bawah ear. Yang kedua adalah action button, which one press for pause, double press for skip, and then hold for Siri. Yang ketiga adalah volume up, and then volume down. Next is the W1 chip yang sama dengan AirPods yang original. Kalau kalian kurang paham dengan ini, dia kurang lebih masalah mengkoneksikan handphone with all your Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad, and iPod. Finally, mari kita bahas mengenai noise cancellation. Saya mau langsung bilang aja kalau noise cancellation of the Beats 3 Studio Wireless is very good. The way they do isolating and creating a white noise is very good. Ini agak susah dijelaskan, tapi dengan Beats, it feels like it's filling my ears with pressure and white noise. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but that's how I feel. Okay guys, that's the Beats 3 Studio Wireless Headphone. For me personally, I often use it when I go traveling on a plane, on a bus, or on a train. I will also use it when I do editing for my videos or when I play games on my iPads. But I will not use it to go to gym. I prefer to use my AirPods because it's more comfortable to use for exercise. Anyway, I know this headphones is very expensive. I will agree with you on that. But the ease of the connectivity is going to be something very valuable and useful for you guys. In the end, I hope that this video will help you to make your own decision in choosing a very expensive headphones. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please support me to grow my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.